Hey guys, we've got a storm coming here in Phoenix, Arizona, and I wanted to talk about this house in particular because we've got a storm coming in the economy as well. This house, just bought it subject to. It was listed through a real estate agent and they couldn't sell it. Multiple wholesalers tried to buy this deal. They couldn't make it work. Multiple fix and flippers looked at this and couldn't make it work, but we bought it subject to. I want to do part one of a multiple part series where I did a deal with an agent that couldn't list a property. Come in here guys, let's like get away from the wind because the storm truly is coming. Just like the economic storm is coming. On September 20th, the Fed is meeting again, and they're gonna raise interest rates again. The reason why this seller was not able to sell the property and the agent was not able to sell the property without me and utilizing subject to is because the economy is slowing down and buyers are not able to afford very expensive homes like this because interest rates are going up. So the seller has a mortgage on this house at 2.8%. I took that over. Right now, what is the date today? August 19th, 2022, interest rates are like 6%. I just bought this house subject to for 2.8%. So what I want to do is I'm going to interview the real estate agent who made 30 grand on this transaction. She was going to lose the listing. The wholesalers who tried to get this deal done tried for 4 months. The seller has already moved to New Zealand because he thought his house would sell in 2 minutes. This is going to happen so frequently in the upcoming economic storm that you guys need to be prepared. So hit the notification bell, look for video number 2 of this because video number 2 is going to be me talking to a real estate agent who sold this house to us. She thought we were scamming her because that's how impossible this deal was. Literally, she had on the market for multiple months. She had another agent try and sell it. She tried to sell it through 4 wholesalers. Nobody could make this work except for me. And so I want to break this deal down in part 2 and interview that agent and tell you why she thought it was a scam and now what she thinks about subject to. So guys, if you want to learn more about subject to, watch some of the videos on the channel, type in Pace Morby SubTo or what is subject to and see how we're gobbling up single family homes all over the country with no money out of our pocket. We'll see you on the next video, part 2.